Okay, here's a good tip you sure you will appreciate. This is to show you how to add a camera raw filter to your photo and make it do it in a non-destructive way, meaning that once you make those changes, you can actually go back and make the change again. Normally, you would go and add your filter. Let's say, for instance, we'll go to camera raw filter here, and we'll click on it. And once it opens that up, you'll see that if I go and add my vignette, nice little vignette to the photo, I hit the OK, and you can see it committed the changes. Look great, but as you can see here, there's no way I can undo that or make any adjustments. So let's undo that now. And what you really want to do is really simple. You just go and you go to your layer, you right click on it and just hit convert to smart object. Now that it's a smart object, if you go to your camera raw filter and let's say you add your vignette, because it put it in a smart filter, you can always go back and make that adjustment. And watch this. So now it's committed it. As you can see here, it has the camera raw filter in the smart object, and you can see where you can actually make those changes. So let's say you want to go back and change this or just adjust it again. Just double click on the icon here, double click, and oops, sorry about that. You double click on the smart filter itself. Let me make sure I got that. Yeah, double click on where it says camera raw smart filter, double click on that, and then it will open up. Sometimes I don't know my own stuff, but yeah, here you go. That's how you do it. And let's see, I'm gonna just give it, and just not too much. There we go. So hopefully this helps. If you like to see more videos and want to have more tips, be sure to subscribe to my channel, so that I can be up in the algorithm with YouTube, and I appreciate it. Talk to you soon.